Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins. So right now, we'll be discussing about how to control the CSS margin button with our CSS shorthand property. I'll be honest with you, you have to use three values inside your margin property. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document, as you can see, we have this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the margin top property, how we can get it specifically. And right now we are going to use specificity margin bottom. Now I'm going to specify 7. Let me just specify 100 pixels here, so you can see what will happen. We are going to have three values right here, and the last value is going to be the one that will be controlling the margin bottom. Now let's reload our document. Can you see when I reload my document, the bottom of our element right here is having 100 pixel margin, and this one also, and this one also. That's how all the elements right here will be having. Can you see at this bottom right here? Let me change it to another thing. Let me change it to 200 so you can see what I'm talking about. When I change it to 200, you are going to see the margin bottom. Can you see the margin bottom? See how big it is. So let's say, for instance, now you can change all these elements right here. Let's just use our feed set element, the one that is having class of feed set. Let's save our document and see the one that is having a class of feed set. Now this is how it works. Can you see? Now we are able to see it clearly now. Can you see the margin bottom right here? The margin bottom is like this, but because we have specified the left, right, but we don't know, but because we have specified the top in our previous video, I have discussed about how we can specify the top, and this one control the top. So but this one right here, this last one right here, is one that control the bottom. Now let me give it 0 pixels so you can see the benefit of using this. Reload. Can you see? Now our element, our feed set here, and this one, now the gap between it, can you see? Now let me increase it to, let me give it 24 so you can see what I'm talking about. Now reload your document. Can you see? Can you see the gap between it? So that's how you can get the gap between what, between your bottom. Let me give it 50 pixels so you can be able to see it clearly again. Can you see when I reload it? So please try all this. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial on how we got the rest. Have a great day. Thank you so much.